guys, welcome back to another video with Legit Colleen. So today I'll be showing you how to save TikTok videos without a save button. And I made a video on this previously and it was using the app SaveTalk, but that app has not been working because of legal reasons, so I'm going to show you a new method. So you first want to go to the TikTok you want to be using, click share, copy link, and then you're going to go to this website, which I will have in the description box, called snaptik.app. Then you're going to paste the link here, click paste, download, and wait for it to download. Once it downloads, you want to click download server 1. This is an ad, so I'm just going to X this out. Click download again, and it's downloaded in the bottom corner here. So the bottom arrow right here, I'm going to click that, click downloads, and I see the video here. So then I'm going to click bottom left, there's the upload button, click that and save video. So now once I go to my photos, I'm going to see that it is right here. And that's pretty much it. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. And thank you for watching. I love you all.